હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, આજે આપણે યુનિટ નંબર 3ની અંદર ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર યુઝડ ઇન ટ્યુન સર્કિટ્સવાળો ટોપિક જોઈશું. ઓકે, ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર ઓલરેડી તમે બધા BEE સબ્જેક્ટમાં ભણી ગયા હશો. થોડું ઘણું રિકેપ કરી લઈએ, પછી આપણે આગળ વધીએ. ઓકે, સો ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર is basically a device which transfer the power from primary side to the secondary side without any physical contact. Okay, it is the working of the transformer is based on the electromagnetic induction. That means, suppose if you are connecting the voltage source at the primary winding of the transformer, current starts flowing in the primary winding. Because of that current, some flux is being generated in the primary winding, and that flux is linked to the secondary winding via core. Okay, in secondary winding, again, because of that flux, current is generated, and that current is passing to the load which is connected to the secondary winding of the transformer. So here we are connecting the voltage source at the primary winding. That energy is transformed from primary winding to the secondary winding. Okay, now based on which core we are using in a transformer, they are broadly classified in a three ways. That is, one is iron core transformer. Suppose if we are using the iron for making the core, then it is called iron core transformer. The symbol for the iron core transformer is like this. Between the primary and secondary winding there is a solid line. Okay, ફેરાઇટ કોર ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર, એને આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ કે ફેરાઇટનો કોર તરીકે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ, અને એનું જે સિમ્બોલ છે એની અંદર જે પ્રાઇમરી અને સેકન્ડરી જે લાઇન્સ બધા, ઇટ ઇઝ અ ડોટેડ લાઇન. ઓકે, થર્ડ ઇઝ ધ એર કોર. ઓકે, એર કોરની અંદર કોઈ પણ જાતનો કોર યુઝ કરવામાં આવતો નથી. આપણે એરનો જ કોર તરીકે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. ઓકે, સો પ્રાઇમરી અને સેકન્ડરીની વચ્ચે કોઈ પણ જાતની લાઇન્સ ઇન્ડિકેટ કરેલી નથી. સો જ્યારે ઇન્ડિકેટ ના કરે ત્યારે સમજવાનું કે ઇટ ઇઝ બેઝિકલી એર કોર ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર. હવે ટ્યુન એમ્પ્લીફાયર માટે બેઝિકલી એર કોર ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર વધારે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. સો એર કોર ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર ઇઝ ફર્ધર ક્લાસિફાઈડ ઇન્ટુ ટુ સબ કેટેગરીઝ. ઇટ ઇઝ અ સિંગલ ટ્યુન એન્ડ ડબલ ટ્યુન ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર. ઓકે, એને આપણે ફર્ધર ડિટેલમાં જોઈશું. First of all, let's discuss the iron core transformer. Okay, now in iron core transformer, basically semi use કરવામાં છે, mainly used at the audio frequency. Mainly used at what? Audio frequency range. Okay, it is having very high K. K means what? Coefficient of coupling. Why? Because we are using the iron as a core, and because of that iron we are getting the very high coefficient of coupling. Okay, in iron core transformer. Okay, now here we are connecting the source at the primary and connecting the load at the secondary side. Now let's relate the input impedance of this is the input impedance Zi. This is the output impedance ZL of the iron core transformer. Let's relate these two impedances, how they are relating with each other. So input impedance can be given by Zin is given by what? V1 by I1. Load impedance can be given by what? V2 by, this is V2 by I2. Okay, now let's take the ratio of the input impedance to the load impedance, that is the V1 by I1 to the V2 by I2. Okay, so V1 by V2 multiply by I2 by I1, as already we know that the famous relation of the transformer is given by what? V1 by V2 is equal to I2 by I1 is equal to N2 by N1 is equal to given by small n. Okay, so we are using this relation. So V1 by V2 is given by what? N. I2 by I1 is also given by n. So it is basically n square. So Zn is given by what? Zn is equal to n square into Zl, where n is equal to what? N2 by I1, N2 by N1. Okay. So this is the how the both the impedance, input impedance and output impedance are related with each other. Remember this equation. Now let's discuss the air core transformer. Basically, air core transformer, in air core transformer we are not using any kind of materialistic core. Only air is acting as a core in a air core transformer. That's why the value of the coefficient of coupling is very less in case of the air core transformer. Okay. Why? Because lots of the flux which is links from a primary to the secondary, it is lost in a air. Okay, that's why we are getting very less value of the K. Mainly where we are using the air core transformer at the radio frequency. At radio frequency we are using a air core transformer. Okay. Now air core transformer is further classified into two categories, that is a single tune and double tune transformer. Okay. Now let's first discuss the single tune transformer. As we have already studied, what is tune circuit? Tune circuit, it's basically a circuit which is using for a tuning of a certain frequency. That means tuning of frequency. Okay. Now what is single tune then? Single tune means the circuit which is using for a tune of the one particular frequency band only. That is called a single tune frequency or a single tune air core transformer. Now if we are seeing the circuit diagram of the single tune transformer, you can see at the primary side we are connecting the source, alternating source, and at the secondary side we are having one tune circuit, LC tune circuit. It is L and C is there. So only one tune circuit is there at the secondary. That's why it is called a single tune air core transformer. Okay. So you can see you have already studied the parallel resonance, series resonance in the past lectures. So here it is a graph of the output voltage of the single tune air core transformer. At the one particular frequency we are getting the maximum voltage, and rest of the all the frequencies we are getting the lesser voltage from the maximum, it is V maximum. Okay, now let's discuss the double tune. Double tune means what? There are two tuning circuitry, one is at the input, one is at the primary side, another one is at the secondary side. So at the primary side we are having one tank circuit, LC tank circuit, and at the secondary we are having another tank circuits. So we are having a two tank circuits. That's why it is called a double tune circuit. Okay. So this primary tune circuit can be tuning for frequency F1, and a secondary tune circuit can be tuned for the frequency F2. So both are tuning at the very different frequencies. That's why it is called a double tune air core transformer or double tune circuit. Okay, you can see the graph versus graph of the voltage versus frequency. Here the primary is tuned at the F1 and secondary is tuned at the F2. Okay, that's all from a air core transformer. Thank you.